Have you ever wondered why apple cider vinegar is hailed as a miracle for weight loss? You've probably heard a lot of claims in me, but how much of it is actually true? In this video, we are going to unveil the real benefits of apple cider vinegar, debunk common myths, and reveal how you can use it effectively to support your weight loss journey. If you're watching this, drop a learning in the comments. Myth: apple cider vinegar is packed with nutrients. One of the biggest misconceptions is that apple cider vinegar is full of essential vitamins and minerals. In reality, it contains very little vitamin A, vitamin C, or minerals. But don't be disappointed just yet. What it lacks in traditional nutrients, it makes up for with something even more powerful: acetic acid. Acetic acid is the key active compound in apple cider vinegar, responsible for many of its health benefits. While it doesn't provide significant amounts of traditional vitamins and minerals, it does contain trace elements of potassium, amino acids, and antioxidants that support overall well-being. More importantly, acetic acid helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, and enhance digestion. This makes apple cider vinegar an excellent addition to a balanced diet, even if it's not a powerhouse of essential nutrients. So, while it may not replace your multivitamin, it can certainly complement your health routine in unexpected ways. The real reason apple cider vinegar works. The secret behind apple cider vinegar's effectiveness lies in acetic acid, which plays a major role in balancing your body's pH and metabolism. Many believe that people are overly acidic, but surprisingly, most bodies tend to be too alkaline. This imbalance can slow down digestion, reduce mineral absorption, and even weaken enzyme activity. When you slightly adjust your body's pH with apple cider vinegar, it can trigger amazing effects, such as improved digestion, enhanced metabolism, and better nutrient absorption. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar supports the breakdown of food in the stomach, allowing for better absorption of vitamins and minerals. Additionally, it can help balance blood sugar levels, which is essential for preventing energy crashes and reducing cravings. Regular consumption may also support the body's detoxification processes, promoting the removal of toxins and harmful bacteria from the digestive system. Comment balanced pH if you're excited to learn more. Apple cider vinegar and digestion. Acetic acid has a very low pH, similar to stomach acid. This makes it incredibly beneficial for those suffering from acid reflux, heartburn, or indigestion. Many people assume these conditions stem from excessive stomach acid, but in reality, they often result from too little stomach acid. This leads to the valve at the top of the stomach staying open, allowing acid to travel up the esophagus. Taking apple cider vinegar before meals can help close this valve and improve digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and bile, which break down fats and proteins more efficiently. This can prevent bloating, gas, and sluggish digestion, making your meals easier to process. If you've ever struggled with acid reflux, try drinking a diluted tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and notice the relief. Many users report feeling immediate benefits, including reduced bloating and smoother digestion. Comment better digestion if you're finding this information helpful. Apple cider vinegar and metabolism. As we age, our stomach acid levels naturally decline. This makes it harder to break down proteins and absorb vital minerals like calcium and magnesium. A lack of stomach acid can also cause calcium to accumulate in soft tissues, leading to stiffness, arthritis, kidney stones, and even cataracts. By reintroducing acidity into your system with apple cider vinegar, you can improve your body's ability to utilize these minerals properly. Apple cider vinegar can also stimulate the thyroid, boost metabolism, and enhance fat-burning processes. Studies have shown that acetic acid increases the expression of genes that help break down fat, leading to better fat metabolism. It may also reduce fat storage by influencing insulin levels. which play a crucial role in how your body processes carbohydrates. If you're serious about weight loss, this simple addition to your routine can be a game changer. Try incorporating it into your daily regimen to see noticeable results over time. Comment "Fat Burner" if you're ready to see results. I believe you're enjoying this video. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps the channel grow and allows more people to learn about these powerful health benefits. If you're finding this valuable, comment "Wonderful" below. What causes an alkaline state? You might be wondering, what causes excessive alkalinity in the body? One major factor is chronic stress. Stress elevates cortisol levels, which in turn makes your body too alkaline. High cortisol is linked to weight gain, particularly around the belly, fatigue, and a slower metabolism. To make things worse, many people drink alkaline water, thinking it will improve their health. However, forcing your body into an alkaline state can disrupt digestion and prevent proper mineral absorption. Alkaline water can neutralize stomach acid, leading to poor digestion and nutrient deficiencies. Instead of drinking highly alkaline water, focus on restoring balance by incorporating natural acids like apple cider vinegar. By maintaining an optimal pH level, your body can function more efficiently, improving energy levels, digestion, and overall health. If you've been drinking alkaline water, comment "Surprised" below. How to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Now that you know the truth about apple cider vinegar, let's discuss how to use it effectively. Morning Boost. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it on an empty stomach. This kickstarts digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels throughout the day. Before meals, take a diluted tablespoon before meals to support digestion and prevent bloating. This primes your stomach for proper digestion and helps absorb nutrients more effectively. Fat-burning drink. Combine apple cider vinegar with lemon juice, cinnamon, and a touch of honey for a metabolism-boosting elixir. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, while lemon juice provides an extra dose of vitamin C for immune support. Post-workout recovery. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce lactic acid buildup, easing muscle soreness and promoting faster recovery after exercise. If you're excited to try these methods, comment "Trying this" below. Apple cider vinegar is a simple yet effective tool for improving digestion, balancing pH levels, and supporting weight loss. However, it's important to use it correctly and consistently to see the best results. Avoid common myths and focus on what truly works. Thank you for watching this video. Before you go, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, check out our other health and wellness content. We've got plenty of exciting videos waiting for you. See you in the next one.